The lithium is discovered in the year 1817 by Johan August. The name is derived from the Greek word lithios, which means stone. Appearance: it is a soft silvery metal which has the lowest density of all metals, and it reacts vigorously with water. Natural abundance: lithium does not occur as a metal in nature. However, it has been found combined in small amounts in nearly all igneous rocks as well as in waters of many mineral springs. Spodumene, petalite, lepidolite, and amblygonite are the most important minerals that contains lithium. Most lithium is currently produced in Chile from brines that yield lithium carbonate when treated along with the sodium carbonate. The metal is produced by means of electrolysis of molten lithium chloride as well as potassium chloride. The history of lithium. The first lithium material, petalite, was discovered on Swedish island of Uto by Brazilian scientist named Jose in the 1790s. It was observed to give an intense crimson flame when thrown into the fire. In the year 1817, Johan August analyzed it and deduced it containing a previous unknown metal which he called as lithium. He released that it was a new alkali metal and a lighter version of sodium. However, unlike sodium, he was not able to separate it by electrolysis. In the year 1821, William Brande obtained a tiny amount but not enough on which to make measurements. It was not until the year 1855 that the German chemist Robert Bunsen and the British chemist Augustus obtained it in bulk by means of electrolysis of molten lithium chloride. The origin of lithium. Lithium can also be found in certain types of rock and minerals including pegmatites, granites as well as salt flats. It has been typically extracted from the brine, a type of salt water that contains higher concentrations of lithium. The largest deposits of lithium are found in South America, particularly in Andes Mountains. Other significant deposits are located in Australia, China as well as United States of America. However, these are the certain places where the lithium is mined. Australia is the far most important supplier of lithium in the year 2018 with the 51,000 tons, which is ahead of Chile that has just 16,000 tons, China 8,000 tons as well as Argentina which has been extracted up to 6,200 tons on the yearly basis. Now let us see about the lithium extraction process. Lithium is a highly reactive alkali metal that offers excellent heat as well as electrical conductivity. These properties make it particularly useful for manufacture of glasses, high temperature lubricants, chemicals, pharmaceuticals as well as lithium ion batteries for the purpose of electrical cars as well as consumer electronics. Now the stages has been divided into 4 major categories. Number 1. Pre-treatment stage. This step usually employs a filtration as well as ion exchange purification in order to remove any kind of contaminations or unwanted particles from the brine. Number 2. Chemical treatment stage. Next, a series of chemical solvents as well as reagents may be applied to isolate desirable products as well as byproducts to the precipitation. Number 3. The filtration stage. The brine is often filtered to separate out the precipitated solids in the later stages. Number 4. Saleable lithium protection. The brine is finally treated with the reagent such as sodium carbonate in order to form a lithium carbonate as well as the product is then filtered and dried for sale. Depending upon the desired product, different reagents may be applied to produce other commonly sold forms of lithium such as lithium hydroxide, lithium chloride, lithium bromide as well as butyl lithium. Once the lithium extraction process is completed, the remaining brine solution is returned to the underground reservoir. Now let us discuss about the lithium ion batteries in this particular video. The lithium ion battery has a greatest advancement as well as prospects in the time of future. It has the following properties. Number 1. Conductivity. It has both electrical as well as ionic conductivity. Number 2. Battery safety. It has both thermal stability as well as dendrite prevention. Number 3. Energy and power density. It has both catalytic activity as well as rate performance. Number 4. Mechanical robustness. It consisted of electrode polarization as well as battery flexibility. Now let's see the special features of the lithium ion battery. Number 1. It has the futuristic materials as well as self-developments. Number 2. It has LCA as well as TEA. Number 3. It has the modeling as well as machine learning technology. Number 4. It has the battery management system. Number 5. We could generate the next generation of lithium ion batteries in the time of future. Number 6. It has the environmental sustainability. Applications of lithium ion battery. It has been categorized as follows. Number 1. gradually saturated market, which consists of the consumer electronics as well as devices, smartphones, laptops, tablets, power tools, as well as personal care equipments comes under this category. Number 2, the growing market, which consisted of the grid energy and industry. Renewable energy, grid energy, stationary energy storage, as well as portable energy storage will come into this category. Number 3, the growing market that consists of the transportation. Cars, buses, 4K lifts, as well as auto bicycles comes into this category. Why is lithium mining is under criticism? There are always critical reports on extraction of lithium from salars. In some areas, locals complain about increasing droughts, which for example threatens livestock farming or leads to vegetation drying out. From the point of view of experts, it is still unclear to what extent the drought is actually related to lithium mining. It is undisputed that no drinking water is needed for lithium production itself. What is disputed on the other hand is the extent to which the extraction of salt water leads to an influx of fresh water and thus influences the groundwater at the edge of salars. In order to assess this, the underground water flows in the Atacama Desert in Chile, for example, have yet not been sufficiently researched. In addition to lithium mining, possible influencing factors include copper mining, tourism, agriculture, as well as climatic change. The country of Bolivia has 21 million metric tons of lithium, but none have been extracted so far. And this is because of the environmental issues. Now, comments below. Will lithium extraction affect the environment and ecosystem? Is lithium extracting areas a gold mine for the nations in the time of future? Will e-vehicles be affordable for the people if there is an increase in lithium extraction in the time of future? Comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.